Oh, I could murder a mango. Oh. That's right, it's mango season, and Toon's famous mango stick is out. Oh, she's after some ripe mangoes. We do eat the green ones, but it depends on what variety we've got. This one's very, very good ripe, and you can pick them. Oh, we've got a casualty. Well, that's farm life, isn't it? Wow, Balai. Bachon.
ปลามะม่วงค่อยๆใส่นะลูกเดี๋ยวมันตีกันแตกใส่เลย
It's like in slow motion, but not, isn't it?
I tell her too softly, but
not that softly.
คอยเก็บใส่นะเดี๋ยวป้าตุ้มสอยก่อนนะ
Oh! I bought you a posh mango basket and you're still throwing them on the floor.
You stick in a brush.
Yeah, the structural integrity of the mango stick is in question. We're not getting a lot today, just enough to feel sick eating them, so probably about 20. And what we also do sometimes is collect these just as they're starting to turn yellow. Hey? Oh, Toon wants some for pickling. We could be here quite a while then. These two mango trees, one outside the fence pond and one inside, these were grown by Toon's dad many, many years ago, but they've never done that well. And now they're flourishing.
Oi!
Can you work a bit faster, please? Got a lot to get. Oh, that's yours, that is. You're going to eat all the bruised ones, not me.
Yay!
Okay. If you love me, you'll get that super yellow one up there.
This one?
Yeah. Oh, what? The only one I want. Has that bounced into the fence pond? Is it? Well, sorry doesn't really cover it, does it? How can I eat that now? Not split? No. Oh, well done. Good catch. Come up. Come up. Come up. Go get my mango, please. Kids they just don't want to work these days, do they? Wow! Look tasty. Popcorn cup. Just going to get some mango action for you. Look at this. There's about 100 coconut. Baby coconuts up there. Super golden. Never ever seen them that good, missus, have you?
Yeah, beautiful. Wow. Oh my god.
My mango's leaking.
Here, you see new honey.
New honey?
Just here.
Oh yeah. Ah, that's why they were getting stung the other day.
Wow.
Oh, they're the... What's the small ones? Mint?
Mint.
Yeah, that's why they got stung. Because I thought, I hope the camera picks this up. We've got a huge nest in here with the big, big bees. Yeah. Try and point to it in there, and they're the big bees. What do you call the big bees?
Pung.
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 So,
Pung.
Pung. How do you say it? Pung. That's what I said. Okay.
Oh my god! None! What a got good bump. Noon!
Well, you know.
Hang on. And here!
What?
And there!
Oh my god. In there?
And there. And that one there. You see through that.
Oh yeah. Wow.
I'm sure I got more.
That is that's what's that? That's four. Four nests.
I think three mim, one
giant.
big. Yeah. I'm sure I got some more in here somewhere. Oh.
No wonder the goats keep getting stung.
ไข่มุกอย่าโดนต้นมะม่วงนะ I think one down there. But not easy to
Yeah, it
see.
looks thick enough to be in there,
Yeah.
doesn't it? There's a ripe mango, quite close to a bee's nest. Oh, that looks beautiful, that one. Got my name on it. That. Look at that, perfectly picked.
Mrs. Helpin. นั่นไงเจ็บอีกแล้ว
If you keep putting your head in front of a stick, it's not a good idea, is it? Look at that. Small but beautifully formed. Well, you can see it up here now, right next to that mango there. Yeah, they're what you say, mim.
Mim.
Yeah, they're the small ones, but a lot. Oh, I can see another one, Toon. The big ones.
Yeah.
Yeah. There. See through there.
What? You sure not the one I saw before? What?
That is huge.
I only see here. Where?
Oh, maybe you point
Oh!
It's monster, isn't it?
Oh! Mim, look.
That's good. It's a shame you just bought 2
Oh.
bottles of honey for me, isn't it?
Oh my. Yeah, the one.
Wow, excellent to see the old tree producing. That is brilliant. We did start to prune it this year, and it's the first time we've ever done it. I mean, when you look at it now, it looks like a jungle in there, but it really, we took out so much. I think it's just helped the tree breathe a bit, and it's really bounced back from it very well. There's still a few ripe ones there.
I think I see one more down there.
Toon thinks you can see one more honey nest. That would make it 6 on one tree. That is just bonkers.
Wait, I see about that big.
I wonder if that's why there's so much fruit on it this year, Toon. More bees?
Hopefully.
Could be.
And still got new flower coming.
Yeah. Well, that's it. Toon's going to get another couple of ripe mangoes for her husband. She's good like that. Yes, please, if you don't mind. And then we're going to get back and start scoffing them all.